So Eddie and I celebrated our 14-year wedding anniversary last week. It was pretty crazy. I'm going to show you some pictures. I put them on my phone. We were babies when we got married 14 years ago. So check this out. Wait for it. This is us 14 years ago. And here's another one. I mean, come on, babies, right? And this was last week during our anniversary celebration. So, okay, enough about that. The reason I am bringing this up, I promise it relates, and I will get to that in 1 second. My name is Marissa. Welcome to Matcha Mondays. This is where I talk branding, websites, business, and any life stuff that may come up, because really it's all related, right? Matcha Mondays. Today is a big glass of water. I already went through the matcha, I went through the coffee, I went through all the things. So now I am finishing off the day with water. So that's where we're at. So the reason I am talking about our anniversary, it was pretty surreal, first of all, to look back and say, first, like, oh my God, 14 years, that's a long time. And we were very young when we got married. And it was a wonderful day. We loved it. We were, took the day off, took the week off actually, to celebrate, take it slow, and just reflect. And as we were, looking through pictures and watching our video and just talking about the past year and everything, this kind of happens every year. I'm like, whoa, that's amazing. This is amazing. What a wonderful thing to celebrate. There has been so much growing, so much loving, so much learning and lessons throughout the past 14 years. And even if you're not in a relationship, again, I promise this will circle back to business in just a second. Even if you're not in a relationship with someone else, you can do this same thing and reflect and honor and look back with the most important relationship, which is the relationship with yourself. So anyway, we were just kind of in awe of how first of all, you cannot plan things, because who would have thought that we'd be celebrating our 14-year anniversary, social distancing in quarantine, really, on lockdown. We would have never been able to guess that this would have been the situation on our special day. But just taking the time to honor and reflect how far we've come, what we have accomplished, what we've learned, it just made the day even better. And it made us appreciate each other and everything that we have learned even more. And this got me thinking, what if we took the time to celebrate those same things, those lessons, that journey, that process in our business, whether it's once a year, hopefully more than that, or once a week, once a day, once a month? What if we took the time to celebrate these mini anniversaries? What would that do for us and our relationship with our business? When was the last time you celebrated something that you accomplished or something that you tried? Maybe you are not labeling it a success, but if you tried it, that is in itself a success. Like little things. Like, did you post on Instagram after maybe not posting for a long time? Or did you go live even though you're terrified of it? Did you start that blog? Did you start that business? Did you call that client? Did you land a new client? Like the small things. Are you taking time to celebrate that? And, celebrating our 14-year wedding anniversary made me realize that I don't often take those small moments to stop and just celebrate and reflect and honor. And that's the thing, honor where you are, right? Whether that's in if we're talking about life, relationships and stuff, or in business, it really truly does make a difference, because you will shock yourself. You will be shocked at, one, how far you've come, two, how fast time flies, and three, the amazing lessons that you've learned along the way. Because whether we're talking relationships, life, or business, it is not easy. It is hard work. It is some serious work. But my gosh, isn't it worth it? It's so worth it. And you won't know that. You won't know those things. You won't actually take in those things until you stop and reflect and honor. And that is why I'm bringing up the celebration of our 14-year wedding anniversary, because anniversaries, special events come up and you're forced in a way to stop and reflect and think and just acknowledge. And, we don't often do that when it comes to business. So If you are watching live, thank you for being here. If you're watching the replay, either way, I want you to leave a comment in the chat box or in the comment box and let me know, what's that one thing you're celebrating? What's that one thing you're honoring in your business today? It could be something small. It could be something huge. It could be a big win. Hell, it could even be a failure. But if there was a lesson that came out of it, that's what you're honoring. So share that with me in the comments below, or it could be like a big life event. Are you celebrating an anniversary? Whatever. Just taking that time to stop, reflect, and honor. Doing these things are going to give us the energy that we need to that life, that love, that passion to continue, to keep going for another, whatever your goal is, you know. I've shared my wedding anniversary to continue for another 14 years and beyond, and for business to continue growing and learning and doing all the things. If you have a hard time honoring and reflecting and celebrating these small wins, I'm here to help. I love being able to talk to people that are really hard on themselves, because been there, done that, and helping them see where they can celebrate these things, where they can honor, where they can reflect, and therefore use it as proof that they are absolutely capable to keep going, and also to use it as like a springboard to continue on and have even more reasons to celebrate. I hope that you have found this Matcha Monday live helpful, whether you're watching the replay or the live. I appreciate you. I love that you are here, honoring the craftsmanship of working with my hands. Yes, that is something to celebrate every single time. Hi, Jacqueline. Oh, heck yeah, 3 new clients this week. Thank you so much for sharing, and congratulations. That is so exciting. Thank you for being here. And thank you. I appreciate that. They're saying happy wedding anniversary. Very exciting. I don't know if you guys saw, if you guys just tuned in live, I shared a picture of Eddie and I. We were babies. Check it out. We were babies when we got married. I wasn't even able to drink at my wedding. I wasn't even 21 years old yet. I turned 21 2 weeks after, and so I got to enjoy a cocktail on our honeymoon. Anyway, that's all for today. Again, thank you so much for being here. My name is Marissa. I am one half of the Meraki Collective, where we help coaches, consultants, and professional service providers show up online with clarity and confidence with gorgeous and strategic websites. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.